Girls screaming in the background. It's not a good look. What's up guys, it's Gunnar Tierno. I'm back with another video. This time it's a tech video. It's been a while since I did a tech trick, but they do really good. One of them is about to hit 100,000 views, so that's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link here. It's how to clone your MacBook without using any third-party software. But this one is going to be about LinkedIn. So if you know me, you know that I'm not a fan of LinkedIn. I really don't like the user experience. It's so spammy. I just get nothing out of it. I don't know. I have an account because like everybody does, but I really don't use it, and I really don't like all the messages you get, the happy birthday messages and the congratulations on your work anniversary messages, and just like all the spam. I wanted to clear out my entire inbox, like all my messages and stuff. If you try to do that, the only way to delete a message is to click the three dots and then click delete this conversation and then click yes, delete it permanently. And that's just one conversation. So there's no way to bulk select a lot of conversations and trash them all. And if you go to the phone on the app and you try to do like a swipe delete, you can't do that. It's like archive or favorite and that's it. There's no delete option from there. So every single time you want to delete a LinkedIn message, you have to physically go into that conversation and delete that one conversation. Now I found a script on Github that will do this for me. So you gotta have Google Chrome, you gotta use Google Chrome to use this. I'll put the link in the description for the script, and I'll also put the script there. And all you're gonna have to do is copy paste that into the console, hit enter, and it's just gonna boom, 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 delete them all until there's nothing left. So enough talking about it, let's actually do it. All right, so this is super easy. If you've never done something like this before, you can totally do it if you just follow the directions. I'll put the link to this page here on GitHub where you can follow his instructions, but I'm also gonna show you how to do it yourself. This is the code here that you're gonna need. And then you're gonna need Google Chrome. So I have this open in Safari, but we're gonna need Google Chrome to do this. This is what it's gonna look like when we're all set up. We have our console down here, and then this is all the code of the web page, and we're open on the messages bar. But we're gonna start fresh from nothing, so I'm gonna X this out. Now I'm gonna open Google Chrome. I'm gonna go to LinkedIn. And here I am on my LinkedIn account. So what I'm gonna do is click messages up here. Make sure a message is selected. So you have to have one of these, any message, just one of them selected. You cannot be in new message or it won't work. So you gotta click a message if it's not selected already. Now, if you were to delete your messages normally, you would click the three dots of the conversation, click delete, hit yes, and then you would just keep doing that over and over and over again. And if you have a LinkedIn, your inbox is probably looking like this too, like a bunch of people spamming me, or I'm spamming a bunch of people. It's just how it is. So that would take forever. This script is a lot faster. Now, like I said, have a message selected, then go to the three dots in your Google Chrome browser, not these three dots on messages. The three dots in the browser, you click that, click more tools, click developer tools until you have this window open. Now that this window is open, the console is down here. So this is what matters. You can adjust these windows if you want to see more of that. And this is where we're going to paste the code. So we're going to take the code that I have in the description or on this website. We're going to copy the whole thing, and then we're going to paste it in here, and we're going to hit enter. And there we go. Now it's automated. This is totally hands-free. I'm not doing a single thing. And it's gonna go through and delete every single conversation that is open right now. So what I mean by that is the ones that are all preloaded here, it will automatically delete those. Now it will run out because, you know, everything, you kind of scroll down on websites, right, and it loads more. So it's not gonna keep doing that, and that's where we'll need to kind of redo this. But if you scroll down on your list of messages for a while and get it to load as much as you can, it will delete all of those. See here, we're gonna stop over here now. And once we get there, it'll time out. Now that's all the messages I have because I was running this, but if you have more messages and you're refreshing in another browser and you see more messages are there, what you're gonna have to do is just click out of this to another page, go back to messages, and every time you go back to the messages page, as long as that code is in the console, it's gonna try to delete them all again. If you have no messages here, you're gonna wanna time out the console, clear it, scroll down to load a bunch of messages. As soon as you get them loaded, come back to the console, command paste, hit enter, and it will run the script again. That's gonna be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you. This is how you do it in 2019. So there was some other ways in the past to do it, but they don't work anymore. So this is the method to delete all your messages on LinkedIn in 2019. If you guys are having problems or you need help, just hit me up in the comments. I'm always answering. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button if this video helped you. That's what inspires me to make these videos, and I'll see you on the next one.